Holi is about color, celebration and joy. But for many women, the day after Holi brings something else. Dryness, burning, redness, rashes and uneven skin tone. And then comes the most common reaction. Rub harder, use more soap. But what if I tell you, hard soap rubbing after Holi is not cleaning your skin, it is damaging it further. Today, let's understand the science behind post-Holi skin damage in women and why aggressive cleansing is a big mistake. Holi colors are not always herbal. They may contain synthetic dyes, industrial pigments, heavy metal residues, fine particulate powders, alkaline chemical bases. And when these stay on skin for hours, they disrupt the skin barrier, they increase transepidermal water loss, they trigger inflammation, they disturb the skin pH. Your skin's outer layer, the stratum corneum, is a protective lipid barrier and it functions best at a slightly acidic pH of around 4.5 to 5.5. Holi colors often shift skin toward alkalinity. The barrier is already compromised before you even enter the bathroom. Now comes the second assault. Traditional soaps have a pH between 9 and 11. That is highly alkaline. When you rub hard, you create micro-abrasions. You strip natural lipids. You remove protective ceramides. You increase inflammation. Instead of repairing damage, you multiply it. In women, this is even more concerning because female facial skin is often more sensitive. Pigment disorders like melasma are common. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is more likely. Cosmetic treatments make barrier fragile. So hard rubbing is equal to mechanical trauma plus chemical stress. That is a scientific double hit. What should be done instead? Step 1. Oil first, not soap first. Apply coconut oil or mineral oil before bathing. Oil dissolves synthetic pigments. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This reduces the need for aggressive scrubbing. Step 2. Rinse with lukewarm water. Hot water further damages barrier lipids. So use lukewarm water only. Step 3. Use a mild cleanser, not harsh soap. Look for scented bars. That means synthetic detergent cleansers. Next, pH balanced cleanser. A pH value of around 5.5. Fragrance free, sulfate free. What do you need to avoid? Antibacterial soaps, strongly perfumed soaps, exfoliating scrubs on the same day. Clean once gently. Do not reverse multiple times. Step 4. Pat dry. Do not rub. Rubbing with a rough towel causes additional friction damage. Pat dry softly. Immediately after bath, apply moisturizer rich in ceramides, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, panthenol. And if there is redness, then apply aloe vera gel, calamine lotion, cold compress. And next day, apply broad spectrum sunscreen. Because inflamed skin is more prone to pigmentation. When to see a dermatologist? Consult a professional if you notice persistent burning, blistering, severe rash, dark patches appearing after inflammation, signs of infection. Just keep in your mind that early intervention prevents long-term pigmentation. Holi colors may fade in a day, but barrier damage can last weeks. Remember this, your skin after Holi is already stressed. It does not need aggression, it needs restoration. Hard soap rubbing feels effective, but scientifically it is counterproductive. So, celebrate boldly, cleanse gently, repair intelligently, and I wish you all a very happy Holi. That's all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.